Welcome back. You're tuned in to Chartbusters here on CNBC-TV18. Well, a couple of business updates came, namely on Avenue Supermarts as well as V-Mart. Mangalam, tell us, those numbers were quite good, huh?
Those numbers were quite good, more for V-Mart than D-Mart, but D-Mart also has seen a bit of a rally from the lows, so which is why it's not moving as much. No problems with the numbers, though. Standalone revenue growth this time around for the first quarter for D-Mart, 18% higher, close to around 13,712 crores on the top line, and that is in line with the last 3 years CAGR of around 18.2% as well. We've added 6 stores during the quarter. Total stores stand at around 371. And if you look at last year and this year, the store addition is close to around 13.5%. So revenue growth of 18.5%, store addition of 13.5% implies that there could be around 5 to 6% same-store sales growth positivity. So to that extent, it will be very important to see what has sold. So you look at the product mix, you look at the gross margin trend, because that has been an imponderable for D-Mart. And secondly, these are standalone updates. So the performance of the e-commerce business would come by in the consolidated business. So those are some things that we'll keep an eye out on as well. Remember, the company had told us that in the very near future, their goal is to add as many stores in the physical retail and also look for moats in e-commerce business and grow that as well. The other one, which is actually a bigger mover in today's trading session, is V-Mart Retail, and that's because all of last year it was very slow, sluggish, poor performance coming in, and on that base the company is now showing growth as well. Total revenue grew 16% for the key business V-Mart. Their revenues actually grew 17%, and even if you look at the same store sales growth, this time around for V-Mart it has been around 12%. Unlimited, which is the acquisition that they made from Arvind, there the same store sales growth has been around 8% as well. They've opened 7 stores during the quarter, closed 3. They've added 5 V-Mart stores and 2 Unlimited stores, and they've also closed 3 Unlimited stores, and this is a positive largely because there is a big margin differential between Unlimited and V-Mart. So V-Mart has higher margins than Unlimited, so adding more V-Mart stores and closing some of the non-performing Unlimited stores are better for their margins. So as a result of which, we are seeing an up move on V-Mart as well.
All right, Mangalam, thanks for that. For the time being, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Chartbusters. You stay with us, though. Trading comes up next.